Well, the current priority for the government in Beijing is the economic growth. Here in China, we don't have a serious inflation problem. As a matter of fact, the data we've been seeing is actually pretty much going the other way. So the government has the incentive, the banking, central bank has the incentive to actually decrease interest rate. So it's a much better shape. But I do want to comment on Jeremy Powell's decision. I think he's faced with a dilemma. On one hand, he is faced with the prospect of more banks getting into problems, and this is going to be a contentious issue. On the other hand, he's seeing a tightening of the banking sector, the credit market. But this is precisely what he wants, actually. This is precisely what he's hoping for, the slowing down of the economy. He describes the situation in the job market being tight, and this is something that he doesn't want to see. And I think it's kind of ironic that the American economy, the labor market in the United States is tight, of course, because of the American economy is at the moment that the manufacturing is coming back, and there's a resurgence of manufacturing. There's a series of legislations by the Congress, and I think it's a very difficult tide to fight against. So I think if he's emphasizing too much on the job market and labor market, I don't see the job market being slowing down. I mean, look at the situation in the semiconductor industry, other high-end manufacturing industries. Hundreds of thousands of jobs have been created. Of course, the job market is going to be very tight. So I think he's probably on one hand, I think he's actually correct that the risk in the banking sector is probably limited, and he has ways and tools to contain the risk. If some bank has a problem, he can control the risk of a bank run. But on the other hand, he's hoping for the job market slowing down. He's hoping for the credit market to be tightening up. And I think he is making the right decision, but I think he's overly concerned with the job market.